Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Romala and today is another vlog style video. We are going to IKEA and I thought I'll take you guys along. So today is the 4th of February. We booked our slot at 7 p.m. because of the whole COVID situation. You need to register first and then only you are permitted into IKEA, like you cannot go directly. So we did register ourselves and we booked the 7 p.m. slot, and they say that you need to reach 30 minutes before your slot timing. So we need to reach around 6:35 ish. It's 6 p.m. right now and we are heading to the IKEA store. I'm so excited because I've heard so many good things about the store. Also, I'm not sure how much I can show you guys inside because ज़्यादा vlog नहीं कर सकते is what I've heard from people who've already been there. But I'll try my best and show you guys as much as possible. And I will also do an IKEA haul if I get a lot of stuff, that is. And yeah, let's go. We are ready. Me and Inaya are twinning by coincidence. This wasn't planned. But yeah, let's go. So we finally reached IKEA and here we are entering the massive parking lot of IKEA. IKEA itself is so huge. It is almost the size of 10 football grounds. So you can estimate how huge the parking would be. And here we are entering the actual store. I forgot to shoot at the entrance because there was checking going on. And yes, we just entered the store and it was so beautiful. I really love the whole aesthetic of IKEA. They've set up a lot of different bedrooms, living rooms, bathrooms and all of that. And each and every decorative item that they have, they've placed it in these areas. Like you can see the kitchen area right now. So they've placed all these items so as to give you guys an idea of how you can use these pieces to decorate your home, which is something that I absolutely love. Now you cannot pick the items that have been displayed like this. You have to go to the collection center to pick these. So every item that has been placed has a red tag. Beneath the white part there is a red tag which says where this product will be in the collection center. So you just have to note that down and pick it up from the collection center, which I think is such a beautiful thing because then you get an idea as to where you can place these items in your house. Or you can also buy the whole living room or the bedroom as it is, and they will set up the same exact thing in your house, which I think is a great thing. Here are a few living room setups that I'm going to show you guys. This one is my favorite. I love the whole aesthetic of this room, the color, the vibe, and everything. It is so beautiful. There are a lot of such cute living rooms. And here are some great kitchen setups. The kitchen setups are also so beautiful. Like the the objects they've used here are so aesthetic. I really wanted to buy a kitchen after seeing IKEA kitchen setups. And then beach mein they also have these shelving displays where all the items are displayed on the shelves that you can directly pick from. And here is the bed display area where they've displayed a lot of beautiful bed designs. Also, do you see that arrow down there? These arrows direct you towards the exit of the store, because IKEA is so huge. There are a lot of chances that you might get lost in the store, so you just have to follow these arrows and it will lead you towards the billing counter and the exit, which is great. That is how you get out of IKEA. Here comes the cutest section of IKEA, and that is the kids section. It is a play area, the room setup and all of those, which is so cute. I really wanted to get this pink one for Inaya, but yeah. And then again there are a lot of these shelving displays where a lot of random items have been kept, and you can pick items from there directly. And then this is the baby section where a lot of baby items are kept on display. And then this is the food section or the food area where there is this Swedish restaurant. This restaurant is so huge, it can accommodate almost 700 people at once is what I've heard. And then we just entered the food section because we were really hungry. And they do not have a huge menu, they just have some selective items that you can select from. At that point I think only chicken meatballs and paneer tikka something was available, so we went for chicken meatballs. It looked really delicious, and it also tasted so delicious. The food at IKEA is great and is also very inexpensive. We also ordered for potato wedges. This huge bowl of potato wedges costed only 90 bucks, and the chicken meatballs costed us somewhere around 150 something, which I think is really cheap. And then we also ordered for two coffee, 50 rupees for one coffee, again very cheap. But the taste is so good. I really want to visit the IKEA restaurant once more because I absolutely loved the food there. And after we got done with our dinner, we headed towards the other area of IKEA. But since we got really late, we had to rush through the store because they were announcing that the store is going to close in like half an hour or something. So we had to really rush. I really loved that cup, and I got that one as well. We were just randomly going through this kitchen display area where they have a lot of really useful items for your kitchen. So yeah. They also have a lot of classic and minimalist cutleries, which I think is really good. I am a sucker for these minimalist cutlery items. I really like them in solid colors. I don't like a lot of florals and all of those, and they have them in these really cute pastel pinks, mint green and all of those colors, which is really beautiful. They will look really aesthetic on the dining table or in your kitchen and all of that. I really loved all of the kitchen items here in IKEA. And then we entered this pillow section because we wanted to get two pillows for our room, and then we were just choosing from whatever pillows there are. And then this is the area where you can check the price of items, like the actual price. You just have to scan and then the price is displayed on the screen, which is again a great thing. They have a lot of curtains, a lot of bed sheets, really nice minimalist items, and then they have florals and all of the items, like you name it and they have it. They have everything that you need in your house, which is why I love IKEA. Then this is another section that I absolutely love, that is the light section. They have such good lights at such cheap prices. when I would decorate my house, I would definitely buy everything from IKEA, because all of the designs are so minimalist. They look so classic, and they are very inexpensive. I absolutely loved all of these, big lights that are there. And I also loved these Zoomers, especially this one, the crystal one, and then this globe one as well. Oh my god, the lights there are so good, and again very inexpensive. These one, the big Zoomer was for somewhere around 6,000 something, which is great. And then comes a carpet section where they have again a lot of quirky carpets which says welcome or swagat ahe and all of that. Swagat ahe means welcome in Marathi. And yeah, this is where we had to really rush through the store, because the store had been closed by that time. It was 9 already, and I was just running, to show you guys a glimpse of every item or every section that is there in IKEA. Now this is another section that I absolutely love, because I love indoor plants, and this is so beautiful. All of the plants here were so beautiful. Again, they were very inexpensive. You can definitely pick plants from here for your room or house or anywhere, and you can see Inaya playing in this section. And then at the end they had a lot of varieties of scented candles. I think that is the end. This is the end of the whole store. And then moving forward, this is the collection center, where you can collect the items from that were displayed in the actual the living room setup and the bedroom setup area. So you just have to show them the number from the tag, and then they will deliver the item to you from this collection center. This is so huge. The collection center again is massive. And then again you can see the billing counter. I again forgot to shoot the exit area, but then there's billing counter, and then there is a cafe where I did pick a brownie from. And that is it. That is the end of IKEA vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, then don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.